Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. So of course Saturdays are my laundry day because hydro's cheaper where I live on a Saturday and on my gist day. So I like to start off by grabbing all the dirty laundry, obviously, and bringing it along with me as I go. I've set up a little station right outside the washroom where all of the dirty laundry will go during the week. And every time that I find it is full, I just grab it along with me and take it downstairs with me to the laundry room. On my way through the rest of the house, of course, I'm grabbing laundry as I go. The towels of the week get added to the pile. Something I use and love in my laundry room is a laundry sorter. I have one in my upstairs for the bedrooms laundry, but I also have this one, which I use for my towels to separate the dark and the light. I have these little baskets that I just set on top, which are for my washcloths because I find they get caught in the washing machine. They get caught in here for the regular loads of laundry if I have it full. So I actually do a load of washcloths all by themselves, or I will put them in these types of mesh bags in with all my towels and stuff, because then I find they don't get caught and they still get just as clean. I also have the last one is for bedding and for kitchen tablecloths, and that keeps everything separate. So then when it's full like this, I know I have a load of darks ready to go, but yet not quite a load of white or light colors. And so this makes a huge difference in my life every day. If I just grab the towels and bedding with me as I go down the stairs, and when it's full, which I actually have it over full right now, I know I've got to get that load of laundry going. So if you have your load of laundry that you like to do during the week each day, a load, you know when there's a load ready to go. And I have it right beside my washing machine and dryer so that it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it's handy right there. So if you wanted to just quickly do a load fitting into your schedule faster, this is one great way to do it. So the wonderful part, yeah, you gotta be careful you don't overstuff it, otherwise you rip it. But the wonderful part is I just grab it out, the laundry, and stuff it right into my machine. And that can take a couple of minutes. I don't have to sort it again every time that I need to do something, want to do laundry. So then I can just stuff my washcloths into a bag. Don't overstuff because otherwise they don't get washed very well. But then that prevents them from getting caught in here, this area. And in my washing machine, I just use vinegar in the rinse cycle, and then that will go. And then that will get my towels. It will get rid of all the funky smells, and instead of a fabric softener, which you shouldn't use in your towels, which gets rid of the absorbency, the vinegar gets rid of the smells, and the vinegar helps clean them a little bit better too. Any bacteria, any funky stuff. And as you're running your machine, the vinegar will clean the machine as well. So you don't have to use that little clean with a fresh thing. That'll save you money there as well. Because why use an extra run, spinning, washing time and an extra product if you really don't have to? So if you're washing towels a few times a week, towels and socks. I use the vinegar for towels and socks, and it's just plain, regular, no name, everyday vinegar. Because save money. Hello. Now, if you have a tub like this beside your washing machine, where the water goes out, I set it up like this. But there's just a little bin so that I can soak my socks or other items that may need a little extra soaking. Instead of having to run it through the washing machine a couple times, I can just run it through once because it's already been soaking, as this load here, this item of dark washes here, it will kind of do a pre-soak here. So I hope these tips help you save time and money and energy as you do your laundry. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these tips and ideas. Watch my other videos on cleaning, gist days, and coming up, all the folding.